Morning, this is Airpulse Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Tuesday and I'm reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Libra. Welcome, Libra. The reading starts with the Nature's Whispers card. Out came, open your heart. And the truth of our world, nature, and environment is love. This is eternal love that makes no demands, has no expectations, and does not place any limits or conditions on us. There is an opportunity for each and every person to experience love at this deepest level if they are willing to be open. Love can and love will flow into your heart, but only if you allow it. It will change your perception, nurture and hold you, and even give you the strength to endure any hardship. So take a moment, open your heart, and allow love to bring you joy, serenity, renewed energy, passion, and total unrelenting happiness. Second card is the Shaman's Dream Oracle card. That one is a tidy house. It is about clarity and organization, a thorough inventory, a thorough inventory, and an auspicious symbol. If your emotional world feels messy and maybe even unruly, and you cannot seem to get clear, then it is time to see how your environment is affecting you. Although your inner world has a huge impact on what shows up in your outer world, the reverse is also true. You can be influenced by the people who populate your daily life and the energy of the objects that you surround yourself with. Basically, everything in your surroundings. So now is the time for an inventory and a full clearing of your environment. Ask for clarity from your relationships and do not make assumptions at this time. You may choose to let go of some people from your life when this card shows up. This is a good thing. Otherwise, you might stay in these relationships too long out of a sense of obligation and social courtesy, when in truth there is nothing holding you together. So be impeccable with your word, say what you mean, and be willing to make whatever changes are necessary to clean up your side of the street. And if you know that you are doing the right thing, it does not matter who has another opinion. And that said, right now, once you are sure that your proverbial house is a tidy one, there is a release of energy to begin new things, to enjoy life, and to know with certainty that you are on the right path. The Sacred Creators Oracle card that came out for you is Sacred Mirrors, and it relates to seeing the divinity in others and knowing more about yourself also by sharing your gifts and your talents and finding kindred souls on a similar path. Collaborative opportunities also being seen, witnessing sacred evolution, connectedness, oneness, and your place among the stars. The sacred mirrors, they are all around you. We are all connected to other souls on this planet, and every single interaction, no matter how great or how small, can carry a message or a meaning. Just as you can only really understand the concept of light when you have understood the concept of dark, so too can you only understand who you are when you really begin to see others. We see the sameness in others, and we also see the differences, and they offer us glimpses of our own true selves through their reflection. So look for a lesson in the coming days, a sacred mirror that will refract and reverberate throughout your being and then shed light on your truest form. Sometimes mirrors, they can serve to teach us how unique we are because of the contrasting and opposite nature they unveil to us. So when another person thinks differently, use it to help you understand your own mind. Sometimes mirrors deserve to ignite something within us that we had long forgotten. I wish I could do that, we think. I would love to be that brave. I desire that charisma. Is that possible for me? What have your mirrors been showing you lately? And have you been acting on the information they are sending your way? Find solutions in these sacred reflections and ask, how are the people I have been spending time with mirrors of myself, and do they make my life better? Explore opportunities to try new things and to take some risks by communicating in a new way, and allow your community to be a mirror and to show you what might work best. Things that push our buttons, they are often reflections of the things we have worked on or the things we dislike about ourselves. What bothers you about your current situation that could actually be a reflection of something you would like to change in yourself? The Mindful Escapes meditation card that came out for you is the Great Bear Rainforest, and it is the largest temperate rainforest in this world, and it is in British Columbia in Canada. The nature's palette is a vibrant array of rainbow shades and enough to sweep you off your feet, just like the winding waterfall that rushes through the heart of this place. It tumbles down and around the rocks, and you long to feel this liquid freshness upon your skin. You sit on the forest floor in the middle of reed-like trunks of spruce and red cedar trees. The moss-covered carpet fills the air with a musky, sweetness. And with your hands you touch the earth and you delight in its velvety kiss. Wildlife thrives here, especially the creatures that normally prefer to hide away. There are ghost bears, paler than the moon, with dark eyes, real and living, yet figments of folklore. And you fully understand why they choose this magical place. Your spine tingles with excitement as you let the beauty of the forest refresh your body and your mind. And the oracle of the birds card is the crow. And the crow is always well informed, whatever the source. The meaning of the card is that the crows they fly through the forest, and you will soon learn the latest gossip. The crow is a messenger of the great goddess. So if you have drawn this card or it is coming into your reading, messages will come flying thick and flying fast. The crow dissolves all the veils and brings you clarity and truth. So be alert. Recognize the signs that reach you and trust your inner guidance. Then new insights and solutions, they are possible. The magic feathers of the crow speak to you. My black feathers are connected with the whole world, indeed with the universe. Their delicate pink and violet light testifies to their high magic. You too are a child of the universe, and its wisdom is available to you at all times. I free you from limitations and I lift any veils. My feathers, they stand for hidden secrets. They open your eyes to that which is concealed and make the invisible visible. I am a messenger of the misty world, weaving the delicate threads of destiny. Witches and magicians like to use my feathers as magic to send warnings to enemies. There's more meaning to the bird. It brings information. The right side is connecting the world and the left side concerns you. The crow feather has magic. The crow is a networker, leads you connectedness and unity, lives in the lively forest and is a great gossiper, and is pure, has healing magical energy. See this affirmation: there is nothing to do, being there is quite enough. The wind carries to me everything I need to know for today. That was the reading for you, Libra. Thank you for listening. I do wish you a joyous day. I do wish you a rest of a joyous week. I'm sending my love to you. Take care and goodbye.